Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to enable mentions requests on Instagram, keeping you in control of who can tag you. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and open the Instagram app. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap it to head to your profile. Next, at the top right, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Give that a tap to access the settings menu. Now scroll down and select Notifications to manage how Instagram alerts you. Once you're in the notifications section, look for Posts, Stories, and Comments. Tap on it to proceed. This is where the magic happens. Now scroll down to find Mentions Requests. This is the feature that allows you to manage who can mention you in their posts or stories. Tap on it, and you'll see an option for From Everyone. Select this option to enable mention requests from all users. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on mentions requests on Instagram. Enjoy your enhanced control over your online presence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.